size of the snowflakes has decreased immensely. But I got my snowshoes on and made it out a little ways. One beverage. Hey, what's up, buddy? Yeah. This is like an amusement park for him. Just passing through. I like to use the snowshoes like skis in certain downhill situations. Just don't touch down your ball of your foot too hard or the spikes will grab and you'll go flying. I'm gonna go this way because I've never gone this way. Whoa. Not too deep. Oh, I say that and then go in deep. Oh, really deep. Oh, yeah. It's always the goal not to slide down there. Yeah, okay. Gotta check on the beaver, guys. Even though I don't know if it's a female or a male, but going this way. Oh, yeah. Comes out there occasionally. There's a hole in the top over there. You can see running water over there. You can hear it. Hey, don't fall in. That would be that's not how I'm envisioning this trip ending. Couple entrances to the dam. Regardless of if there's giant snowflakes, it's still awesome. Nice wind down from work. Okay. Oh, step over the stump. I don't know if I want to go that way. There's a bridge down there. Well, that's not really a bridge. More like a bunch of logs with dirt on top of it. 40 years ago. It's still there. Where you going, buddy? Got the scent. All trees. Take 2 of these a day. Woohoo! This is awesome. I think I've gone out like every day since last Thursday. Oh yes. Oh, no bit of land is complete without a little bit of trash some humans left behind. I know these humans, they're not nice people. We're going to take a different path back. Oh. We'll start the path right here. Fun part of snowshoes, sometimes you throw snowballs at the back of your head. I don't think that's a dog. Definitely not a dog. Maybe a rabbit? No. Deer? I don't know. Weird tracks. Oh yeah, that big branch. I don't want to crawl under that big branch. So how will we do it? Normally I go that way. I don't have my hood on. You know what? If the dog can crawl under, so can the human. This probably will not go as planned. Pays to be flexible. Oh, I might have dropped my coffee a little. I just need to drag my other foot forward. Considering I'm 6'4", that's pretty good. Damn. Yeah, I like those ones you can step on. Well, seeing how we're almost to the field. Just wanted to take a little minute. Okay, maybe 7.5. Tiny little snowshoe journey.